Part of the power of QuickDesk lies within its presets. In this video, you'll learn how to use presets to improve your images and also how to create and manage your own custom presets. You'll also note that you can import and export presets. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, if you've got multiple machines in your lab or in your office that you'd like to share presets between those machines, you can easily export presets from one machine and import them into another copy of perfectly clear QuickDesk on another machine. And if you'd like to create custom presets for your lab or studio, just let us know. We'd be happy to step you through the process and help you create the perfect presets for your situation. If you'd like a quick look at how these presets would be applied to your images, simply click this icon here. It will quickly apply a number of presets or all of the presets in that particular group to all of your images, thus giving you a preview and a good starting place for correcting the whole batch of images. If you'd like to add your own preset, simply click the gear icon and click Add or Edit a Preset. And from here, you can give your preset a name. You can select the group that it will be associated with and even give it an icon here so that you can immediately identify it. And lastly, if you'd like to delete a preset group or a preset, simply roll over the preset group name here and click the trash button, and you can delete that particular group and all the presets within it. Or if you'd like to delete an individual preset, just open it up and roll over the preset that you'd like to delete and click the trash button, and that preset will be removed. Presets are one of the most powerful features in perfectly clear QuickDesk. Understanding how they work and how to manage them will help you streamline your workflow and work even faster.